Hey guys, it's Naturallycha. So since I've had these braids in, I have not used any water or any kind of products to keep my hair moisturized because I'm a little afraid that I'm gonna have some frizz. So I thought, let me just record what happens so that I could share it with you guys. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do so. I love to show different protective styles on how to help you so that you can be able to grow your hair and just be able to retain length. So anyway, let's just jump right into it. One side I'll be using water, the other side I'll be using like a leave-in conditioner kind of mist.
You don't wonder why do people fall in love? It could be for the game or pleasure, I don't know. But when it comes to lust, yeah, that's for sure. With you and I can't do these things around. Girl, now you be the one that makes me smile, and it's true. Now only you fit give this love a chance to.
I think that I would prefer to moisturize and then band. Banding, I feel like the hair still shows no matter what you do. Not too sure if that's gonna come out good or not. With the length of hair that this is, because I mean it's to my waist or even certain parts to my hip, so I wouldn't be too concerned when it comes to the frizziness of these braids. With this kind of length, I mean there's pros and cons, which actually let me get into. So the pros and cons of wearing like straight long hair like this with my kinky hair. The pro was I was able to do awesome styles like the jumbo French braid or half up, half down, low ponytails, and I love those styles. I throw on my, big earrings and I'm good to go. And even like with this middle part or like my roots starting to get a little frizzy or messy, I wasn't really as bothered by it. So I feel like this length is perfect, especially if you're going on vacation. So I would definitely do this again, but I think I would just make the braids bigger. Again, still being easy with the perimeter of my hair, the frizziness of the hair, of my hair texture being different from the straight hair. So I feel like that was more of the con. Sometimes when I would put this hair into a bun, like I would, put it up and then try to put it into a bun. Let me just do that now with my hands. I could feel like when I have it in a ponytail like this, I'm fine. I don't feel any kind of heaviness. But when the braids start to get heavy, when you got that bun going on, then you feel it. I feel the strain like a little bit like in my neck kind of thing. So when I felt that, I figured I'm not even gonna bother. So if I were to do a bun, I'd probably do it low, but then you gotta make sure, or at least for me, I didn't want too much of these being tugged on in order to support that. So basically, I barely wore buns. The only time I would wear a bun is when I'm going to sleep, and I'd make it like a super high bun. I think I should have done a little bit of a better job seeing as I'm always talking about like moisturizing hair and everything. What I should have done was tried like a small section somewhere in the back instead of just nipping it and not even trying it at all. So anyway, that's my advice. So it turned out pretty well. this is just like a regular like ponytail holder. It has a good amount of stretch to it, and I would just use this in different sections. I don't think you have to make them too small. I just think if you want to make it something like a size comfortable enough so if you decide to sleep in them or not, you're okay. Because remember, with banding, it does not dry as quickly. But even though I was heavy-handed with the water, the hair is pretty dry. I can still feel just a little bit of moisture, but nothing crazy where I wouldn't want to, where I would want to reband it just to make sure. But yeah, so anyway, this was a great experiment. If you decide to give it a try, or if you have different tips on how you keep your hair moisturized, please leave them below because you can help myself or maybe someone else. Thanks, bye.